I was in no way expecting something like this, the virus situation would happen. So that's something that is a catalyst that changed everything, and you can never expect how it's going to be. So I would think what I struggle the most is not being away from my family or my friends. I think it's directly the frustration of not being able to move forward. The work pool right now is really highly competitive. There's a lot of people applying for the same jobs. There are not that many new jobs appearing because of the situation. The people is trying to save money, and local population is being prioritized in the positions that I'm applying for. The situation of finishing studying a discipline that you really love and you really like, and not being able to work as such after dedicating so many hours, so many times, so many money, energy to it is one of the biggest frustrations.